Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new home vlog. I look crazy, but it's all good. My name's Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and we got some home stuff going on today. So not only am I doing laundry and trying to get all these clothes folded, we're also getting some new home deliveries today. Let me switch y'all around. There we go. Yeah, not only are we doing laundry and just getting the house together, we're also getting some home deliveries today. So I have a new duvet cover coming and new sheets from Amazon, so I will show y'all those and we'll get them on the bed. Also need to, I just finished washing my mattress protector, so we're gonna get that back on the bed. And what else? Oh, I ordered new pillow covers for the couch, because I showed y'all in the fall decorating video that the pillow covers they got messed up when they got washed and dried. I don't know if it was the washing that did it or the drying, but the pleats got messed up and I ordered new ones. So we need to swap those out too. So hopefully we can do all that today. It is a day off for me. It's Monday. I also need to go to the gym today, and I did a Walmart pickup order to have some groceries. So I'm gonna get Bernie to stop on his way home to pick up the groceries, or I can go after I go to the gym. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's happening today. Side note, y'all, I was just watching the Menendez brothers documentary on Netflix. Girl, don't do it. It's too graphic. It's too, like, I literally had a visceral reaction. It's just disgusting. So just don't, if you're not like truly into, you know, like true crime, and if you don't like true crime details, especially when it comes to like SA, don't watch it. Don't watch it. I could not make it through. I had to turn it off and I literally almost threw up. So I'm trying to cleanse my brain of it. I stopped watching true crime a long time ago. I should have known better than to turn it on, but I didn't think it would be that. TikTok got me because people kept saying how good it was, but girl, no. It's very traumatic. It's very disturbing. It's very, if you're like me, you're gonna have a visceral reaction to it, and I don't want to. I wish I didn't watch it. I wish I could scrub it from my brain. That's how much I wish I didn't watch it. So don't do it. Unless you just really like that kind of thing, you like hearing about stuff like that, don't do it. But anyway, I still got to finish all this laundry. I'm only like a quarter of the way done with this load. I already folded the first load, which was mostly kid stuff, and I need to put it away. All the stuff on the floor right here needs to be re-washed. So I ordered some more laundry stain remover because I think we're out. So I'm gonna have to re-wash that stuff, but treat the stains first. And yeah, I don't plan to do much today. I plan to be on the couch for the majority of the day, with the exception of the stuff that we just talked about. So whenever the next thing that I do happens, I'll show y'all. But right now, I'm just about to finish folding these clothes. Still at it, but down to the last couple things. And I can't wait to be done because I'm so over it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all all this laundry. It's ridiculous. Sometimes I will have the older kids just come get their stuff. I do not fold their stuff every single time because honestly it's just way too much. But I was like, I'm here, so let me just get it done. But yeah, sometimes, most of the time, I'll just tell them to come get their own stuff, and then I will let them fold it themselves. But they don't do that great of a job. But typically I just don't care what their stuff looks like in their closets, as long as they fold it and put it away, because I'm not going into their closets and picking out their clothes anyway, so I don't really see it unless I make a special trip to go look at it. So I'll be tripping. Since Kane's not up yet, I'm just gonna go put this on his bed. He can put it away when he wakes up. Pro tip, y'all. If you're feeding a kid something hot like this, like a hot cereal, put it in a wide bowl. That way it'll spread it out and it will cool faster. So she won't, she loves cream wheat. It's like her favorite breakfast. So if I put it in a bowl like this that has more surface area inside, it cools a whole lot faster and she won't burn her mouth, because girlfriend she can't wait.
Okay, looks like you got a new school. Oh, I got it.
The smart ones are always I didn't know Twilight had a twin sister.
Oh, we just get You got the big flavors pack in a box.
Okay, yeah. It's several hours later. Where's the remote? Where'd it go?
I don't know. I'll be in the crowd.
Did it fall?
Probably. I just left 1 second ago. Technical difficulties.
Did it fall down here?
Yeah, it must have.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's hours later. Literally, it is probably 5 o'clock. My watch did. And
Oh.
my phone did too? Oh, yep, 4:58. I'm about to
4:59.
I've been editing for the last few hours. And I'm about to get this video posted. Corey, go up under here, see if you see it.
Yeah.
Let me flash the light.
Technical difficulties, but let's just show you something we got. We got covers for like this water bottle right here. We got a skeleton with a lit chat.
So I ordered some straw covers just because they were so cute, and so they were only $5 on Amazon. So I ordered 4 different ones for Halloween. Here's one. Here is another one. Little ghost. And then this one is cute little skeleton with the witch hat, and the last one is a little pot, like a little
Witch pot.
witch's brew
Yeah.
kind of pot.
Like this is like that witch
It's
movie.
so stinking cute. So I'm gonna put one of these on my cup. Other than that, also that's gonna bother me until I find that remote. Also got the sheets that I was telling, or the duvet cover I was telling y'all about.
It's brown.
It's brown, and it's more of a cool toned brown, but I feel like on camera when the sun is shining directly on it, it's not looking cool toned. But in person, it does look cool toned. Let's see.
It's my little bunny bunny. Let's go and run.
That's a pretty good representation of how it looks. So I'm gonna see how this goes with the gray that's already on my bed. And then also bought some new sheets. So I wanted to do a cream instead of white since we're doing brown. So I think this will look really good. These are the sheets. They have this detail on the flat sheet and the pillowcases. And then the duvet cover comes with shams. So we're gonna try this on the bed today, see how it looks. Come back to me. Can you cause is your heart still mine? Okay, I just threw my mattress protector in the dryer. It was not dry. Cody took it out of the dryer yesterday. I asked her if it was dry. She said it was. It is not. So I just put it in there. Let's test out the sheets and stuff though. Now you're gone and I'm lost without
want you here now, but I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me, hear me calling for you. 'Cause I'm lost is your heart still mine? Passing time. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you got another life, you gotta concentrate, baby.
I'm not being you.
Okay, we believe you.
Yeah, it was so weird you told me that.
Bye, Cody. Did you fall again?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, it's done. I feel like it looks darker at night than it did during the day. I need to see it in the morning, but it's fine. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. It was only $30 for the duvet, and the sheets I like. I'm just on the fence about the duvet, and I feel like for the next month or two it's fine. So we will keep it. What you think?
It looks fine to me.
Yeah, I don't want to have to start the process over of looking for something else, and it ain't worth it for $30. This is fine for like a couple months, and then maybe we'll do. Ooh, maybe we can get a burnt orange too. That would be like a nice contrast with the darker gray. Maybe I'll order a burnt orange, and then we'll see how that looks too. I feel like the burnt orange will look really good with the gray. And then I'll probably just keep both, and that'll be like my two colors for the fall, I guess. I'll just swap them back and forth.